21 says, at 10:35 p.m., a nurse checked an IV running at 135 mLs per hour and found 1 liter left. So to calculate the infusion time, we need to set up a proportion with the rate and the amount that we are infusing, which is 1 liter. So I'm going to convert that to 1,000 mLs and then solve the proportion. And we get x is equal to 7.4074. And this is in hours. So I need to multiply the decimal part by 60 to convert that to minutes. And the shortcut is we have this on our calculator screen and we just want the decimal part. So if you just subtract 7 first, that should get you the decimal part, and then you can multiply by 60. Again, if you just want to retype the decimal part, you can as well. But you should get 24.4, which we round that to the nearest whole number. So this is 7 hours and 24 minutes. Okay, so for the completion time, we're starting at 10:35 and we're adding 7:24. So adding up the minutes, we get 59. The hours, we get 17. So the minutes are okay, but the hours, we can't have a 17 in the AM and PM time. So I need to subtract 12 to account for this, and we get 5:59. So this will be 5:59, and it's going to be AM because we started at 10:35 PM, and if you go 7 hours and 24 minutes, that's going to put you in the morning. So 5:59 AM.